Hi kids! Today, we're teaming up with Dadbot to match socks, colors, and have loads of fun. Let's power up our sorting skills. Let's meet Dadbot. He's a silly robot who loves clean clothes, but he needs your help matching them. Can you help Dadbot find the right socks and colors? Let's do it, laundry heroes. Assemble. Sock match mission. Spread out all the socks like a sock rainbow. Now find the socks that look the same. Same color, same pattern. That's a match. Uh-oh. Dadbot found a purple sock and a green sock. Is that a match? Beep. Nope. Try again. Let's help Dadbot. Here's the purple sock and here is the green sock. Good job. Color sorting challenge. Now, sort clothes by color. Find all the reds, all the blues, all the greens. Make color piles like a rainbow on the floor. Dadbot loves rainbows. It makes his circuits happy. Now sort them. Good job. Time to learn folding. Can you fold a shirt before the Dadbot folds it? Try folding a towel or a shirt. Lay it flat. Fold in the sides. Fold in half. Perfect! You did it! Dadbot's battery is full. High five yourself. You helped clean up, learned colors, and powered up your super skills. Thanks for helping Dadbot today.